In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare your mini breadboards for the Luminism shadow box circuit. So you need sandpaper, wire cutters, and any mini breadboards that you want to prepare. So the purpose of this preparation is to remove these plastic nubs off the bottom of the breadboard so that we can put Velcro on the bottom eventually and it'll stick well. So I start by using the wire cutters to actually just cut them off as close to the bottom as possible, like that. There's one, and there's the second one. So I've cut those nubs off and it's pretty flat, but not perfectly flat. So this is where the sandpaper comes in. Put your sandpaper on a flat surface like the table, take your mini breadboard, and just sand the bottom of it. So depending on how much material is left over, you'll have to just go back and forth a few times and just check it regularly. You don't want to sand too much. A couple more for me. And there we go, until the bottom is nice and smooth, and now you'll be ready to put Velcro on the bottom to stick it onto your circuit.